Well, good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm out for a very short stroll from my campsite. My campsite is back in there. I came over here to take a look at this. The electric company is preparing to maintain or upgrade their equipment, and they've laid this mat road in from the other end of this dirt road that I've put my camp along. And whilst I'm out for a short stroll, I thought we would take a look at the signs and signals of wildlife. So let us start right here, boys and girls. That is the track of a good-sized buck that was through here last night. I saw him, but I didn't come out and chase him. It was too far to come after him with my bow and arrow. And then over here, this is a sign of a good-sized rabbit. As we travel a little farther, we have the sign, the markings, of another good-sized rabbit. Could be the same rabbit, but they're both going the same direction, so I'm guessing it's a different rabbit. And then here we have something entirely different. That's not a rabbit's tracks. These are the tracks of a wildcat. Probably bobtail. Probably. Not a guarantee. Yep. We've also got signs of another rabbit here. And where was it? Okay. And here we have the tracks of a canid. I believe that's the coyote that I saw last night. It was a single instead of an entire pack. And then, of course, we've got the feeless two-wheelers. This area up in here, until that mat road went into place, was the local hangout for folks on 2- and 4-wheel off-road toys. They started putting that mat road in about a week ago. About 4 miles that way, I'm told. And so far since then, we've had 2 motorcycles late last night that carefully skirted around the edge of the mat road to get up on it. And then we had a 4x that came across the creek the hard way and up through here and then out that way. And I'll tell you, they almost buried themselves in the creek trying to get across it. So, and then we have some more signs from other things. Okay, we have a tire, a recycle bin with the bottom taken right out of it, and a recliner chair all wrecked to hell. And these are signs of slobus humanus. In other words, human slobs come out here and throw their discard out in the wild. Disgusting. But I'm disabled. I'm not going to go picking up after them. It ain't my job. Not my job, man. This here, even somebody throwing away engine gasket parts. Just disgusting. Well, that's what I've got at the moment. Maybe I'll bring you back for some more.
By the way, don't forget to